white cat. Alright. Wanted the clam. Whew. Well, I'm back out in the boat today, doing some early season dock fishing with clams, because everything this year has been, I guess, delayed a little bit because we had some pretty cold weather in the wintertime, and probably the coldest we've had in the last 7 or 8 years at least. So I think it's delayed all the bait getting up into the river, and so probably a lot of the game fish and fish that I target are probably delayed as well. So but I'm out here prospecting. We got a front coming in today. It's supposed to be raining this afternoon sometime, so I gotta keep an eye on that. Wind's going to be picking up. It's going to be a really fun ride back because I was going with the wind out here, and now I'm going to have to go against it on the way back, and it's supposed to be increasing, so it's going to be a little choppy for sure. But I've got a bucket of clams, protected from the wind on this shoreline, so I'm just going to keep working these remnants of the docks that were here, you know, pre-Irma. So we'll see what we can get. Hopefully something, you know, at least a variety, maybe some brim and catfish, and maybe an early season sheep's head or something like that. But the tide's not moving, so we'll see. So stay tuned and hopefully get some more fish. Big old brim. Look at that. All right, second fish and second species. Big old copperhead. Hit it right when it hit the water. Alright. Hopefully there's a bunch more down there. Alright guys. Found some current. I moved out right on the edge of the channel. Oh, there's a bite right. Dang it. But this is the catch of the day so far. I was sitting there just like bouncing it, and then I pulled up on it and there was some weight on there, but it didn't move, and I was like, what the heck? So it's an ugly stick, I can tell that. Tons of barnacles, and it looks like some type of pin. The reel's probably toast, but I might be able to salvage the rod. So that's kind of cool. We'll have to wait and see, because I got a little, it's gonna be a project, but free tackle's kind of a, I don't know, finding a float or a weight or something like that is always like high on my list, and actually catching a rod, that's pretty high. So I want to try to salvage it, but we'll see. We'll see what kind of condition it is in after it dries out. So that'll be something to look forward to. Now I got to try to catch a fish. I'm getting little nibbles, but that's about it. But if I catch one of those little nibbles, I might be able to throw one of those out for bait and get a bigger nibble. That's the goal. Dang it. Well, that was a quick bite. He swam out to me with it, and that's never a good combination when you want to set the hook with the circle hook. Well, heading in for the day. Definitely didn't destroy the fish, but caught a few and got out in the boat, ran the motor, possibly got a new rod, new project at least, and yeah, the weather had a little bit of rain and then it cleared up and now the wind's picking up again, but definitely have a transition and I'm ready for some consistent weather. I'm tired of like a very nice day starting out really nice and then freaking turn into this at the end of the day. So bring on late spring, early summer patterns, I guess, and some more fish. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.